and welcome to the exclusive interview by Bharat CXO. Today we have the dynamic leader here. So ma'am, can you just give us a brief introduction about yourself and your organization?
Thank you so much. This is Pooja Joshi, Country Director India from AC Council. We are the global certification body for cybersecurity and then the industry from almost 25 years. So it's been great here today. It's a pleasure to be a part of the esteemed panel, especially when all the women around from the various fields. And we had an interesting conversation on cybersecurity, that how we are implementing the right stuff in every organization and ensuring that we've been surrounded by the safe environment when it comes to cybersecurity.
As you mentioned in your panel discussion about the women in cybersecurity, can you just tell us a brief about how cybersecurity in women was in past and now?
See, if you look at many years ago, the part of the only 9% women were there in the IT or the tech sector, I would say. Today, I think the percentage has reached to 30%. And if I talk about cybersecurity, you will find women in auditing, women in compliance, women in training, women are doing ethical hacking or maybe a pen testing. So every woman, every role they've been handling in various organizations. Though I would say from the percentage perspective, there still is a long way to go, but it's an amazing place with women are working today.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a great insight. Apart from this, we have a travel company called Bharat Trails, which is a sister company of Bharat CXO. So I would like to ask a quick rapid questions. You like beaches or mountains?
I like beaches.
Sunset or sunrise?
Sunrise.
Which is your next destination, please?
I want to go to within India. Meghalaya is my next.
Okay. So you plan your trips through travel company, or you do it by yourself?
No, I travel with the travel company.
I hope Bharat Trails will be curating your travel fund for next year.
I'll be really happy to have a great experience with all of you guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being
so
with us.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.